Good morning, friends. I am R.D. Chaudhary. Today we are going to learn a grammar topic which is known as the basic topic of grammar, parts of speech. So, parts of speech is one of the most important factor of English because with the words a sentence create. What is meant by sentence? A group of meaningful words is called a sentence. Once again, I repeat, a group of meaningful words is called sentence, and the words are created with letters. But we know that the words means the parts of speech. The first, there are 8 parts of speech. It is called in Marathi शब्दांच्या जाती. मराठी भाषेमध्ये शब्दांच्या जाती जशा आपण शिकतो तशाच इंग्लिश मध्ये सुद्धा शब्दांच्या जाती आहेत. त्याला पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच म्हणतात. These are 8 types. The first is noun. The second is pronoun. The third is adjective. The fourth is verb. The fifth is adverb. The sixth is preposition. The seventh is conjunction, and the eighth is intersection. These are the types of parts of speech which we call it types of parts of speech. In Marathi it is called शब्दांच्या जाती. या शब्दांच्या जातीचं एकत्रीकरण करून किंवा या शब्दांचं एकत्रीकरण करून वाक्य तयार होतं. त्यालाच आपण सेंटेन्स म्हणतो. ग्रुप ऑफ meaningful words is called a sentence. So we learn about the words. The first is noun. It is very important part. After that, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These all are important for completion of a sentence. Completion of a sentence. Look at it. This is a noun. In detail, when we learn about noun in detail, what we call in Marathi it is called व्यक्तीच्या किंवा वस्तूच्या किंवा ठिकाणाचा नामोल्लेख करण्यासाठी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या शब्दाला नाम असे म्हणतात. परत एकदा रिपीट करतो. व्यक्तीच्या, वस्तूच्या किंवा ठिकाणाचा उल्लेख करण्यासाठी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या शब्दाला नाम असे म्हणतात. ज्यामध्ये आपण एखादं उदाहरण सांगायचं म्हणलं तर राम, श्याम, बॉयज, गर्ल्स ही नामाची उदाहरणं आहेत. याचा उपयोग आपण वाक्यामध्ये वेळोवेळी करतो. But what is the second is, look at it. What is the second? Second, pronoun. In Marathi it is called sarvanam. In Marathi it is called sarvanam. The word which comes instead of noun. The word which comes instead of noun is called pronoun. नामाऐवजी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या शब्दाला सर्वनाम असे म्हणतात. नामाऐवजी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या शब्दाला सर्वनाम असे म्हणतात. ज्यामध्ये आपण he, she, it, they. These are the examples of pronoun. These are the examples of pronoun. Why we use pronoun? Pronoun कशासाठी वापरायचे? नामाचा पुन्हा पुन्हा उल्लेख न व्हावा, नामाचा पुन्हा पुन्हा उपयोग न होण्यासाठी pronounचा उपयोग केला जातो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, राम याच्याबद्दल जर आपण सांगायचं म्हटलं तर राम राजा होता, रामाने रावणाला मारले, राम वनवासाला गेला, असे जे काही which gives extra information of noun, which says something more about noun. These are the different definitions of adjective. But very easy definition is that the word which describes noun is called adjective. For example, clever boy. Clever is the word which describes the noun boy. Boy is a noun and clever is adjective. What is the use of adjective? विशेषणाचा उपयोग का? वाक्य मोठं करण्यासाठी, वाक्य थोडंसं आणखी अलंकारिक करण्यासाठी, अधिक अट्रॅक्टिव्ह करण्यासाठी विशेषण वापरले जातात. A big city, old man, rich farmer. These are some examples of adjectives. When we use a farmer, it is a general word. But when we use a rich farmer, then we get some extra information from that word rich. So, adjective is very important to give some extra, some goodness, what we call it, some beautifulness for the language. Then next word. Word in Marathi it's called Kriyapad. क्रियापद हा या आधी घटकामध्ये सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा घटक आहे. का? तर क्रियापदामुळे वाक्याला अर्थ प्राप्त होतो. क्रियापद नसेल तर या शब्दाचा उपयोग करून वाक्य तयार होत नाही. वाक्याला अर्थ प्राप्त करून देणारा घटक म्हणजे क्रियापद. म्हणून हा घटक सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा आहे. The word which gives action, which shows action, the word which shows action is called verb. Do you understand? Words. There are some parts of the verb or kinds of the verbs, helping verbs and main verbs, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. But today we are focusing on that word verb. There are some helping verbs like am, is, are, was, were, shall, will. These are the helping verbs. But may, come, go, understand. These are the verbs which are known as main verbs. There are also past form, present participle, past participle of verbs. When we learn in detail about the verb is a big chunk. We are just informing, we are just discussing what is the word verb. It gives a sense to a sentence, it shows action. So it is very important because without verb we can't get a sense, we can't get knowledge about the sentence, we can't complete the sentence. So, word is very important. Helping words gives extra knowledge about the word. Particular action. I am going. Am is showing present. I was going. Was is showing past. Means am is, are, was, were, shall, will. These words gives us a particularity of that action. So, verb is very important. Then, look at the next adverb, the fifth point. Adverb means what? It is Kriya Visheshan. In Marathi it is called Kriya Visheshan. Very simple definition, like I said. क्रियेचं वर्णन करणाऱ्या शब्दाला क्रियाविशेषण म्हणतात. The word which describes action is called adverb. When we learn this definition, we expand it. How? The word which describes action, describes that verb is called adverb. म्हणजेच क्रियेचं वर्णन करणाऱ्या शब्दाला क्रियाविशेषण म्हणतात. सोबतच आणखीन दोन शब्द त्यात वाढवू शकतो. क्रियेचं वर्णन करणाऱ्या शब्दाला क्रियाविशेषण म्हणतात, तसेच क्रियापदाचं वर्णन विशेषणाचं वर्णन करणाऱ्या शब्दाला सुद्धा क्रियाविशेषणच म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, गुड इज an adjective. But when we say very good, very good, at the time very is describing the word good. It means that very is an adverb. For example, fast is adverb. He runs fast. What is the verb of fast? It describes the word runs. He runs fast. Means fast is a word which describes the word runs, and it is a verb. So fast is called adverb. But when we expand the sentence, when we use another word in that sentence, what? Very. He runs very fast. He runs very fast. In this sentence, what is the verb of that very? What is the verb of that very? Very is the word which used for fast. Fast या क्रियाविशेषणाचं वर्णन करण्यासाठी very आलेला. म्हणून आपण ज्यावेळी क्रियाविशेषणाची व्याख्या करतो त्यावेळी तीन शब्दांचा उपयोग केला जातो. क्रियेचं वर्णन करण्यासाठी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या शब्दाला क्रियाविशेषण म्हणतात. विशेषणाचं वर्णन करण्यासाठी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या शब्दाला क्रियाविशेषण म्हणतात. आणि क्रियाविशेषणाचं वर्णन करण्यासाठी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या शब्दाला क्रियाविशेषण म्हणतात. यापासून एकत्रित व्याख्या आपण तयार करू. क्रियेचं, विशेषणाचं आणि क्रियाविशेषणाचं वर्णन करणाऱ्या शब्दाला क्रियाविशेषण असे म्हणतात. Then preposition. In Marathi it is called शब्दयोगी अव्यय. मराठीमध्ये शब्दयोगी अव्यय आहे. इंग्लिशमध्ये आपण त्याला प्रिपोजिशन म्हणतो. झाडावर चढला, सूर्य डोक्यावर आला. याच्यामध्ये काय आहे? वर हा शब्द त्या शब्दाला जोडून आलेला आहे. इंग्लिशमध्ये प्रिपोजिशन हे कुठल्या नामाला जोडून येत नाही, ते सेपरेट. ऑन, इन, आउट, over, upon, these are called prepositions. What is the definition of prepositions? व्याख्या काय द्यायची preposition? वाक्यातील नामापूर्वी येणारा शब्द जो वाक्यातील इतर घटकाशी सहसंबंध दर्शवतो. To shows a relationship with another part of the sentence is called preposition. The word which comes before noun or pronoun and it shows relationship with another part of the sentence is called a preposition. It is very easy, but when we use the preposition, it is very hard to understand which prepositions should we use. कुठलं preposition कुठं वापरावं हा त्यानंतरचा घटक आहे. पण जनरली preposition हे वाक्यातील, for example, look at it. This is a chalk. Where is the chalk? The chalk is in my hand. Where is the chalk? The chalk is on the dice. Means dice is a noun, chalk is a noun, but how we relate it, how we shows relationship, the word on. The chalk is on the dice. On is a preposition which shows the relationship between the two words, two parts of the sentence. This is the information or description of preposition. The next, number 7. conjunction. In Marathi it is called Ubhayanavi Avyay. Ubhayanavi Avyay. अतिशय सोपी याची व्याख्या आहे. दोन शब्दांना, दोन उपवाक्यांना, दोन वाक्यांना, दोन शब्दसमूहांना जोडणाऱ्या शब्दाला उभयानवी अव्यय असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, the word Ram and Sham, two nouns which connect with the word and. I will come